This 3-bedroom 3-bath charming island-style home has it all. Conveniently located on a large landscaped corner lot and a short stroll to the Gulf of Mexico via deeded beach access. The 2-bed 2-bath main living level has a bright, open floor plan with diagonal tiled floors, double patio doors, allowing for wonderful light and ocean breezes. The contemporary kitchen features white cabinets, stainless steel appliances and an open bar area for seating and serving guests. Enjoy indoor-outdoor entertaining from the attached screened lanai which overlooks the private caged pool. There is a large master bedroom and ensuite bathroom with a jetted tub and walk-in shower. The guest room also opens to the screened lanai, offering visitors additional privacy. The pool features a soothing waterfall, expansive patio for entertaining and a lounge area for relaxing or watching TV. This 2-story home also has a permitted ground level apartment which includes living and dining, kitchen,